English is a game of sound. So let's work on sounds today in this video of spoken English class. F and V. You see, you repeat after this, after me, okay? F. Yes, enjoying. Oh, very good. F and V. Just go on doing F and V. F and F. Fantastic. Frog. Flight. Fan. Finale. Well. Forehead. First. V. Then. Victory. Vary. Various. Variant. Vibrating. Vibes. Okay, these are the sound of these two letters F and V. F V sound. In this and today only you just go on doing all these sounds, these two sounds, just go on practicing. You will be more familiar with the two sounds, and when you will be more familiar with the two sounds, then the words with the two letters are giving you the easiness of pronunciation, easiness of sound, that someone will understand, and you will also feel comfort of making anyone let you listen. Thank you, my dears. Thanks for today. Love you all.